Imagine standing in Seattle, looking up at a tall, thin tower that seems to reach into the clouds. Its spindly legs stretch upward, holding a glowing, flying saucer-shaped top. This is the Space Needle, Seattle's most famous landmark, known for its futuristic space-age design. People from all over the world visit, and you'll find it on postcards, t-shirts, and in movies. Ride to the top for breathtaking views and discover the wonders of science and engineering inside. The Space Needle wasn't always part of Seattle's skyline. In the late 1950s, city planners dreamed of a landmark for the 1962 World's Fair. The fair, called the Century 21 Exposition, celebrated the space age and the future. Many wild ideas were submitted, but one design stood out, a tall tripod with a flying saucer top. Architect John Graham and artist Edward E. Carlson brought the vision to life. Construction raced to finish before the fair opened in April 1962. The Space Needle became a symbol of hope in Seattle's future. The Space Needle stands 605 feet tall. That's about as high as a 60-story building. Its top glows in the sunlight, and at night, lights make it shine like a jewel. But height alone is not what makes it remarkable. This tower was built to handle the wild weather of the Pacific Northwest. Seattle gets strong winds, heavy rains, and even earthquakes. How does the Space Needle stay safe? It has a set of secret weapons inside. The tower's base is wide, much wider than the top. This gives it a low center of gravity, making it hard to tip over. The legs spread out like a tripod, sharing the weight and keeping the structure balanced. Engineers added special shock absorbers and steel supports to protect against earthquakes. The whole tower can sway a little in the wind. This movement helps release stress and keeps it from breaking. In fact, the Space Needle was designed to survive winds up to 200 miles per hour and strong earthquakes. Visitors inside are perfectly safe, even when the weather outside is wild. These powerful safety features are hidden from view, yet they are always working, making sure everyone who visits can enjoy the tower without fear. You might wonder how a building so tall and skinny can stand up at all. The answer lies deep underground. The Space Needle stands on a massive concrete foundation, a giant block shaped like a thick disc. Workers poured nearly 6,000 tons of concrete to make this base. That's heavier than the tower itself. The upper part of the Space Needle is supported by 3 strong steel legs. These legs are anchored deep into the foundation, spreading out like the claws of a giant bird. They hold up the entire tower and give it stability. Each leg is filled with steel beams and reinforced concrete. Inside the Space Needle, a concrete core runs up the middle. This core is like the tower's backbone. It holds the elevators and stairs and connects the legs together. Engineers also added metal cross braces between the legs. These braces work like the rungs of a ladder, stopping the legs from moving too far apart or together. All these parts, the foundation, legs, core, and braces, work as a team. Together they make sure the Space Needle can stand tall, strong, and safe, no matter what. Getting to the top of the Space Needle is an adventure in itself. Visitors ride high-speed elevators that zoom up the side of the tower. These elevators are not hidden. They travel on the outside of the legs, giving everyone a thrilling view as they rise. There are 3 elevators, each with glass walls. When you step inside, you can see the city fall away below you as you climb higher and higher. The ride takes just 41 seconds to reach the observation deck. That's less than a minute to soar over 500 feet. The elevators are powered by strong electric motors and guided by cables and rails. Engineers built them to be safe, fast, and smooth. Each elevator has special brakes that work even during a power cut. They also have sensors that keep them from moving if the doors aren't fully closed. Riding the Space Needle elevator is like flying up into the sky. For many visitors, it's the most exciting elevator ride they have ever taken. When you step out of the elevator, you arrive at the Space Needle's main observation deck. This is a round, open space surrounded by tall glass walls. From here you can see all of Seattle and much more. To the west, you might spot snowy mountains and sparkling water. To the east, you see the city's tall buildings and busy streets. On a clear day, Mount Rainier rises in the distance, looking like something from a painting. Boats cross Puget Sound, and tiny cars move along the city's roads below. The observation deck is 520 feet above the ground. Visitors can walk all the way around for a 360-degree view. There are signs and touchscreens to help you spot famous landmarks. Sometimes, you can even watch airplanes landing at the airport far away. Being up here feels magical. The world seems small, and everything below looks peaceful and still. It's easy to see why people say the Space Needle offers the best view in Seattle. There's something extra special at the Space Needle. A glass floor that slowly spins. This feature is called the loop. When you step onto it, you can look straight down to the ground below, more than 500 feet down. It's like floating in the air. The glass floor is made from 10 layers of strong, clear glass. It is designed to hold much more weight than even the heaviest crowd. As the floor turns, you can see the tower's legs, elevators, and even people walking far below. The whole glass ring completes one full turn every 45 minutes. Building a moving glass floor was a huge engineering challenge. The glass had to be safe, strong, and scratch-resistant. Workers used special rollers, motors, and computer controls to make sure the floor moves smoothly and quietly. Walking on the loop feels like a science fiction adventure. Some people feel a little nervous at first, but soon they realize it's perfectly safe. It's a one-of-a-kind experience. Nowhere else in the world can you ride a revolving glass floor at the top of a tower. Long before the loop, the Space Needle was famous for something else, its revolving restaurant. Called Sky City, this dining room was one of the first in the world to spin slowly while people enjoyed their meals. The whole floor rotated on a ring of wheels, powered by a small electric motor. Diners could sit in one place and see the whole city go by outside the windows. The restaurant made one full turn every hour, so you never missed the view. The motion was so gentle, you could hardly feel it moving. Waiters had to remember where each table was as the floor turned. The restaurant's rotating system was a clever piece of machinery. It used a motor smaller than a lawnmower engine, but with special gears and wheels, it could move the heavy floor without any noise or bumps. For many years, eating at the Space Needle's revolving restaurant was the highlight of a trip to Seattle. Today, the tradition continues with new and improved features like the glass floor. The Space Needle is more than just a pretty building. It's a collection of engineering secrets hidden inside its walls. Every part was carefully planned to solve a problem or make life better for visitors. The foundation is deep and wide, anchoring the tower against wind and earthquakes. The steel legs act like shock absorbers, bending a little but never breaking. Cross braces and a strong core keep everything in place. The elevators glide on rails, powered by smart motors and protected by backup systems. Engineers also use special materials to fight rust and weather damage. The paint on the outside is tough and bright, guarding the steel underneath. Computers now help control the lights, elevators, and moving floors, making everything run smoothly. Without all these engineering tricks, the Space Needle could never have lasted so long. Thanks to smart design and regular care, it's just as safe and strong today as it was in 1962. The Space Needle is not just a landmark or a tourist attraction. It is a triumph of imagination, design, and engineering. Its proud, soaring shape reminds us of what people can do when they work together and dream big. Inside, the tower is full of surprises. Clever supports, fast elevators, and amazing moving floors. It mixes beauty and strength in every detail, from the sparkling glass to the sturdy steel. The Space Needle proves that great buildings are more than just walls and windows. They are works of art, built to last and inspire. Next time you see the Space Needle, remember, there is a world of engineering inside. Each part was made to solve a challenge and bring joy to everyone who visits. The Space Needle stands tall as a symbol of the city and as a reminder that with a little creativity, even the sky is not the limit.